MS Logo. Logo is a general purpose language which is widely known for its use of turtle graphics. The commands, turtle graphics, and moving procedures line graphics either on screen or with a small robot called a turtle. Logo is a programming language that enables you to draw graphics and types text on the screen. Basic logo commands for working with the turtle are: forward 800 moves the turtle forward by 100 steps. BK 100 moves the turtle back by 100. RT 30 turns the turtle head right by 30 degrees. LT 50 turns the turtle head left by 50 degrees. CS erases everything on the screen and brings the turtle to its original position. HT hides the turtle. ST shows the turtle. PU lifts the turtle pen up so that it can move without drawing. PD puts the turtle pen down. Starting logo. To open logo, click on Microsoft Windows logo icon on the desktop to open MSW logo window and click on OK to open MSW logo window. Logo window consists of two separate windows. MSW logo screen is the output window. Commander window is where you give instructions and write programs to be executed. Parts of MSW logo screen. The parts of MSW logo screen are: title bar. The title bar has window name and 3 buttons for maximizing, minimizing and closing the window. Menu bar. It is located just below the title bar. It has 5 menus: file, bitmaps, set, zoom and help. In logo, our turtle has a pen which it draws or writes as per your instruction. It is called turtle. The tip of pen, what is visible and which we call turtle. Canvas. This is blank area where the turtle shows output, be it figure or text. Parts of commander window include input box. The instructions are typed here. The executed instructions are displayed here. Commander button. These buttons carry out different tasks as per user's instructions. For example, clicking the status button will display the pen status, pen color, turtle position and direction, etc. Print command. Print command helps to print the result. It prints numbers, text and message on the screen. Steps to print numbers are: type print command in input box, give a space and then enter number and press enter key to see the result. Let us take an example. Type the following commands and view the output. Print 30, print 750. The output will appear. Now to print a word. Type print command in input box, give a space and then type double quote. Type your word and press enter key to see the result. For example, print welcome. Then the output will be the word welcome will appear. In order to print a sentence, type print command in input box, give a space and open a square bracket. And type your sentence and then close a square bracket. Press enter key to see the result. Example, print space in bracket, my name is Apurva Sharma, bracket close, will give the output, my name is Apurva Sharma. Print command with mathematical functions. Logo provides usual arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Each of these operations produces a result. With the print command, the result of an arithmetic operation can be used and printed in the command window. The mathematical functions are, the print command with mathematical functions are: function sum, description addition, sum with two numbers and result will appear, and the remainder for calculating remainder after division of numbers. The mathematical operators are plus sign for addition, minus for subtraction. / for division and asterisk for multiplication. Sum function or command is used to add and print the result with print command. Sum command takes 2 arguments, and to add more than 2 numbers we can use plus symbol to perform the addition. Print difference. Difference command is used to subtract 2 numbers and print the result. With print command, it also takes 2 numbers. We can also do subtraction using minus symbol in logo. The output of this operation is difference of the 2 output. Print product. Product command is used to multiply 2 numbers and print the result with print command. We can also do multiplication operation using asterisk symbols in logo. The output of the operation in product of the 2 or more outputs. Quotient command is used to print quotient of 2 numbers. The output of his operation is the quotient of 2 inputs using /forward. Slash symbol. If both inputs are integers, the output is also an integer. If input is not an integer, the quotient can include a fractional part. Print remainder. Remainder command is used to print remainder and print the result with print command. Print with logical operators. It is used to compare 2 numbers using less than, greater than and equal operators. If comparison is true, it returns true, otherwise it returns false. Greater than. Let's take an example. If first number is greater than second number, it returns true, otherwise it returns false. So if you type print 15 greater than 12, then the output will be true. And if you give 12 is greater than 15, the output or result will be false. According to that, the first number is less than second number, so it returns true, otherwise it returns false. Less than. So you can take an example. Print 30 is less than 88, so it's true. And print 88 is less than from 30, the output will be false. Equal to. If both numbers are equal, it returns true, otherwise it returns false. So for the command is print 15 equal 15, output will be true. And if the command given 38 greater than 15, 38 equal to 15,